Good morning, my loyal YouTube viewers. I really make this video today with a heavy heart, and I am reaching out to you, my loyal viewers, and you know who you are, especially folks like Girl and Old, Sleeping with Sativa. I ask all of you who are doing what I'm doing, enjoying the beauty of this lovely plant that we've been blessed with, and helping people on how to grow it. It appears as of this morning that YouTube is becoming a whole bunch more aggressive with me, and it looks like they're going to try and remove my channel. For the love of God, I just don't understand why. We've always been kind of running in the shadows on this. And of course, I'm out here in California where things are always legal. Maybe I'm looking at it through tinted glasses, but I hope that at no time have I ever offended anybody on this channel with the content that I provided. When we upload a video, there is clearly a spot where we check not for anybody that is under 18 years of age. It's not developed for kids. That's a given. I try and put disclosures to make YouTube happy in the beginning of all videos, which I believe most people just fast forward through anyway, but we do it. They removed yet another video today of my most current video. And I've appealed it, and they've declined to allow it to appeal. Now, I've had videos taken off before. I think it's just been AI doing their thing and not looking at the videos with common sense, seeing that this is more of a documental journey than it is anything else. But I've appealed them, and they've been able to be put back up. Well, this one I've appealed, and they're not putting it back up. So again, their stance that they're taking right now, I really feel is just looking for a way to remove this channel. As you know, I've been looking for subscribers. My viewership is way up. My view count is way up. And so maybe I'm getting more of their attention. I don't know. When you look in this sphere that we run in cannabis growing on YouTube, and this is to no offense to anybody out there who's doing what I'm doing here, but I see a lot of people smoking weed during their channel, just having total sessions with their viewers while they're discussing growing cannabis. The profanity that is on these channels, I just wish everybody would tone that down a little bit. I don't use foul language. I don't smoke weed on this channel. Believe me, when the camera's off, I'm smoking weed all the time, but I'm not showing it on this channel out of respect for YouTube. But obviously this is not enough. So I put this video out just simply because there's a chance that you're not going to be seeing my ugly mug here on YouTube. And I think it would just be very sad. I've had so much enjoyment creating these videos, reading all of your comments. The support and the love that I'm feeling from all of you viewers has just been very heartfelt, and it just gives me encouragement to continue on. But with that being said, please leave a comment below. Let me know if I have offended you with any of my videos. And by all means, if you know that I'm doing something that YouTube just doesn't like, leave a comment below. Am I being that dense? Am I missing something? I mean, what is it that I'm doing that all these other guys are doing? I mean, I just don't get it. At StroudLoud, man, we're just chill. All we do is grow weed and try and share our love with the plant. We're not using profanity. We're not smoking weed in front of people on the camera. I'd love to, but it's just not my thing. So the video is the video. My smoke life is my smoke life. Everybody has to deal with this as they do. So I'm really at a loss for words. So please leave some comments below. Let me know again if there's something that you think that I should be changing. But really, I'm a little frustrated with this whole thing. I have now started a Rumble channel. If you folks don't know what Rumble is the same type of platform that YouTube is out of Canada. But the viewership is just nothing compared to what YouTube is. So I'm not really too much interested in doing that. But you got to do what you got to do. I do want to share this, but, sharing it with thousands of people as opposed to hundreds of people just makes it a little bit more worthwhile. So with that being said, folks, always remember, even if you don't see my face, there is peace in growing. Get yourself a plant, start growing, see what it does for you, because it's not just smoking the plant, it's growing the plant. You will build a bond with the plants. You will become one with the plants. And there's just, in my opinion, very little out there that's as rewarding as growing cannabis for yourself, growing your own medicine that relieves you of pain, medicine that helps you sleep, medicine that gives you an appetite when you don't normally have one. This is what we do. So sorry for this news. Hopefully this is just going to be a blip in time, but I've dealt with this enough over the last 6 months that I think this is for real. I think they're trying to take this down. And maybe after they see this video that they see and I don't think I'm bad mouthing them. I'm trying to figure out what to do because there is no phone number to call. There is no person that I can email and ask, what is it about this video that you don't like? There shows the video. They don't like my logo. That's where it keeps going to. So whatever that is, I'm not going to ramble anymore, folks. I hope I can see you again. If not, tell a friend. There's peace in growing. Peace out.